Being that girl or that guy also includes waking up early, habits for mind health, work out, have breakfast, skincare, learning skills, and a whole lot more to improve yourself. Doing things today that your future self will thank you for. This is my own experience to be that girl or guy in my case for the new 2023 year.
Close your eyes. One, two. Wonderful job.
Je réservais une chambre individuelle pour le week-end. Vous avez dit courdir avec Kryssi? Vous désirez annuler votre réservation?
This is what I did to be that girl for today. Mornings like this makes me feel less stressed and better in confidence with myself. I see the world in a relaxing perspective, like a better place to live. I follow my daily goals with more focus though. Take inspiration by this video but also by this other routine to focus more on your self-care. So let's see here in the next video and subscribe to get more productive contents. Ciao ciao!